Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Yesterday I discussed about how to find the value for root 5. Today we are going to discuss about root 7. So how you find the value of root 7 up to 3 decimal places, they asked. Already I told 7 means 7.0000 and so on. You have to keep like that. Why? Because how many places means how to keep that zeros like that. First you have to, what is here? 7 is a real part. So this is 7. 7 means you have to see perfect square. That means already I told you have to first about 1 into 1 equal to 1, 2 into 2 equal to 4, 3 into 3 equal to 9, 4 into 4 equal to 16, 5 into 5 equal to 25. Like that you have to write. First you are having 7. 7 means 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. That means 2 twos are 4. 3 threes 9 means it is going to bigger. That's why you have to take 2 twos are 4 here. So 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 means 3. So 7 minus 4, that is 3. After that one you are having decimal point, so you have to keep decimal point here, and you have to bring how many zeros I told? You have to bring 2 zeros. Already I told for finding square root means you have to bring 2 zeros. After that one I told that one how you get divisor now. If you want to divide now, you have to 2 plus 2 or double up this one. 2 plus 2 how much? 4 you get. So 4 means how many times it will be 300. See, already I told you have to place a digit here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on anything, and you get 300. You know 4 table in 30 how many times? 7 times. That means if you keep here 7, 47 into 7, 7 sevens are 48, 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 4, 32. That is 7 is going to bigger. So that's why you have to keep 6 here. That means 46 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 276. That means you have to keep 6 here and also 6 here. That will become 276. If you do subtraction, 300 minus 76, 24. So again you have to find divisor now. You have to find divisor now. How you get divisor now? 46 plus 6. 46 plus 6 how much? 52. 52. You have to keep here 2 zeros. So how you get the divisor now? 46 plus 6. What you are multiplying? Next step, if you add that number to get, you get the divisor. That is 46 plus 6, 52. Now you have to place digit here. If you place digit here and multiply it, you get 2400. That means 552. If you want to replace 5 to 3 means 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3s are 15, 1569. It is smaller. After that one, if you keep next number 4, that is 524. If you multiply 4 4s are 16, 4 2s 8, 8 plus 1 9, 4 5s are 20, 2196. That means 524 into 4, 2196. If you take 525 into 5 means 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12. It is going to bigger. So you have to keep 4 here and also here 4. That means you will get 2196. If you do subtraction, 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 9 0, 3 minus 1 2. So again you have to keep 2 zeros here. Now next divisor how you get? 524 plus 4, that is 528. 528. Now you have to place one value, so that if you multiply with that you will get 20400. So approximately if you take 524 into 4, 528. If you place 4, that means into 4 you multiply. 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 1, 32, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 4 5s are 20, 21. So that is 21,136. If you place 5 means 528 into 5, it will go into bigger. So that's why you have to keep only 4 here. Here also 4. So you will get 20. So this is also 21,000 also, it is going to bigger. That's why you have to keep 3 only here. That is 528. So 3. 528, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. 3 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. 3 5s are 15. So you have to place 3 only. So here also 3. So you will get 15,849. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 4 5. 13 minus 8 5. 9 minus 5 4. So leave remainder like that, because they ask to find the value of root 7 up to 3 decimal places only, as that one. So up to 6 places also you have to continue same procedure. Students, listen again and explain. Find the square root of 7 up to 3 decimal places. 7 means 7.0000, anything you have to give. Number of zeros you want to write, any mean, no problem, write that one. First you have to real part is here 7. So 7 is, you have to check first step, you have to check about perfect square. That is 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, like that. So first 7 means you will get 2 2s are 4. After that one, 7 minus 4 3. You have to bring 2 zeros, not single zero. 2 zeros you have to bring, because this is square root you are finding. After that one, you have to add 2 plus 2, that is 4. That means beside 4 you have to replace one digit. If you multiply with the same digit, you get the 300. So 4, after I replace here digit 6 and multiplied with 6 only. That is 46 into 6. You will get 276. Again 300 minus 276 means you will get remainder 24. Here again same you are keeping 0 0. Already you are having 46 above divisor. 46 plus 6. 46 plus 6, 52. How you get 52 here? 46 plus 6 is equal to 52. What is this? 46 plus 6, 52. So 52 you got. Now you have to replace here one digit, and if you multiply with that, you must get 2400. If 52 beside 4 replace that one, 524 into 4 you will get 2196. Remainder 204 and 0 0. Again next 524 plus 4. Next divisor will be 524 plus 4, 528. Now I replace the digit 3 here. If you and multiply 3 means you are getting 15,849. So the remainder is here 4,551. Now you stop here, no problem. Therefore root 7 equal to, you write 2.643. Okay. So this is the method how to find the square root of any number. Now children, now I want to explain the second example. Find the value of root 10 up to 2 decimal places. Already I told 10 means you have to write 10.00 or leave like that, no problem, directly. Okay, no need to keep 10.000. 10 means 10.00. How many zeros you want to keep, otherwise no keep, no problem. First you have to check, already I told, perfect square. Perfect square means 1 into 1 equal to 1, 2 into 2 equal to 4, 3 into 3 equal to 9, 4 into 4 equal to 16. So 16 it will go into big. That's why you have to keep 3 3s are 9. So you have to keep 10 minus 9 means 1. After that one, 10 means already I told 10.000 and so on. So you have to bring 2 zeros and keep point here. So next, how you get divisor? Already I told 3 plus 3. That is, if you want to write means 3 plus 3. That is, divisor will be 6. This is divisor. How you get divisor? 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Now you have to keep one digit here, and with the digit you multiply, so that you must get 100. That means if you keep 2 means 62 into 2, it is going to 124. That is bigger. So that's why you keep only 1. That is 61 into 1, you will get 61. So here keep 1. Here also keep 1. That means 100 minus 61, it is 39. Now again you have to 0, 0. Next question, how you get? Already I told this 61 plus 1, that is 62. If you don't know, write this one. 61 plus 1, that is you will get 62. Again you have to keep play one digit here, and if you multiply with that, you get 3900. So see, approximately I am taking that one. 6 to 5 I am taking that one. So 6 to 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1, 3125. If you place 6, that means 6 to 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. And also, if you keep 7, 6 to 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 6 7s are 42 plus 1, 43. So it is going to bigger. So you have to keep this one. That means keep 3 here, 3. That means you will get 3756. If you do minus here, 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 7, 1. Again you have to keep 2 zeros. Now how you get next question? This is 623 plus 3. That is 623 plus 3. That is you will get 626. Again you have to place one place here. If you multiply with that, you will get 14,400. So approximately if you take one value, I want to take 626 and 5 I will take again 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 5 6 are 30, 31. So that is going to very bigger. That's why we are take 2 only. That means 6 to 6, just 2 I am placing that one into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 6 2s are 12. 12,524 to get. For suppose if you keep 3 means into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 3 6 are 18. So it is going to big. So we have to keep 2 only. Here also 2, you will get 12,524. 12,000. If you do subtraction 6, 7, 13 minus 5, 3, 13 minus 5, 8, 3 minus 2, 1. So leave like that. So you will get square root of 10 equal to 3.132. Simply you have to write 3.13 approximately. Generally up to do 2 decimal places only they will ask in examination. So it is enough to do only 3 places. So children, see carefully. Again, find the value of root 10 means first you have meaning 10 means 10.000. So 10 is nearest to, which is perfect square nearest to 10. The perfect square nearest to 10 is 9. That means 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. You have to keep 2 zeros. Next divisor will get 3 plus 3, 6. Of that one, 6 beside you have to replace one digit. And if you multiply with that only, you will get the 100. So it is not possible. But nearest number is 61. That is 61 into 1, 61. So like that, if you follow the step, you will get the value of root 10 is 3.13 approximately. So based on these problems, try these as homework. Already explained, same model, you done first root 2, root 3, root 5, root 8, root 11 already explained, root 11, like that, same model you will get. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 8, root 11, root 13, so root 17, anything, root 19, all these are, you are able to same model, you will get the answer for this one. So again, first step, we have to check about the nearest perfect square. So 9 is the nearest perfect square to this number. That's why 3 3s are 9 I taking. Next, how you get divisor? By adding. That means 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 after you have to place one digit, and also you have to keep here only. Then you have to multiply with that, you will get that one. Same process if you continue, you will get the answer. So practice everyone, you will understand. Okay, thank you.